Hi guys! Good morning! Ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlogs. So this is it. Hindi ko nasabi to. Meron kaming trip. Tcharan! Pupunta kami ng... Later na lang. Pupunta kaming airport ngayon. Because we're going on a trip! Sasama kayo. Siyempre. Ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog. So ngayon, babawi ako. Babawi tayo sa inyo. Babawi ako sa inyo. Let's go! Papunta kaming airport. Nakabihis na. Ayan ang ating OOTD. Andito. Ay, hindi pala. Ayan. Sa mirror. Ayun. And John. And shoes. And yan lang. Let's go! See ya! Pila kami for travel tax payment. Yan. Travel tax. Kailangan magbayad muna ng travel tax. Na siya, bayad na kami, travel tax. Ayan na, may travel tax na kami, nakabayad na. Let's go! Kaya nga wala pa masyado sa we're done sa travel tax. Okay na kami, nakabayad na. So, saan ang punta? Punta tayo ng Palawan. Charot. Bilaran. Saan ang 5G na yun? Hong Kong. Oo nga. Saan yan? A0126. Tara na. Dito. Diyan ba yun? Cebu Pacific. Ha? Ay, di dito. Ay, Cebu.
Wait lang, tignan muna natin ulit.
Ba yun?
Anong number ulit?
Wala na.
Antayin natin.
Saan tayo dyan? Ayun. A01203. We're going to Hong Kong. Pila na kami for check-in, pag-drop. Saan pupunta si Mickey Mouse? Charot.
Sa Mickey Mouse din.
We're done. Done na kami mag-check-in. Yay! Naka-check-in na kami. Punta na kami ng taas. Hanap ng kakainan bago kami mag-immigration. This is it. Kakain na pala muna kami. Andito kami sa McDo. Kakain muna kami bago kami pupuntang immigration. Yes, it. Yay! Nakatapos na kami ng immigration. Finally. Success. Ano na kami? Grabe. First time. Sobrang kinabahan kanina pero sobrang dali lang nung sa immigration, guys. Thank you, Lord. Sobrang smooth lang. Wala masyadong tanong kung saan lang po kami pupunta. Yun lang. Ang saya. See you later, Hong Kong. Nilalakad kami dito sa Wakalator kasi tamad kami maglakad, di ba? Tamad ka maglakad. Tamad kami maglakad.
Gusto kami mag-one up eh.
So, dito tayo. Wakalator tayo. Ako nag-search.
So, ba't ako nag-charge doon?
Nag-charge muna ako dito. Nasilaw nga lang mainit dito sa likod. Mamaya po konti yung flight namin, mga 6 p.m. kasi yung flight namin maaga lang kami sa airport pumunta. Kasi para hindi ma-hassle. Kasi dumaan kami na yung immigration pa. Check-in, pila sa check-in. Pero saglit lang kami sa check-in. Kasi wala naman masyadong doon. Pila kanina, mabilis lang. So sa immigration, mabilis lang din. Wala naman masyadong tinanong doon. Kasi ito, search ako dito.
Hindi ko yung alam eh.
Saan? Pasok na kami sa gate 111. We are going to Hong Kong. 6:30 pa ang flight namin. Boarding na! Yay! Port. Antay tayo. Are you excited? Yes, excited. Boarding. Thank you. Finally. We're going. Dalawa. We're going na. Oh my gosh. This is it. Saan tayo? No. Hi. Okay, retouching. Holy come. Arte.
Mobile phones for business and any smart producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Hi. Nasa loob na kami ng plane. Aboard na kami.
Ito din.
And we are going to Hong Kong for the first time. Oh, yeah. We're excited. Gabi na.
Fully completed.
Maaga pa kami sa airport.
Disarm all for door.
Dito. See you later, guys.
See you later daw.
Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from your flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarifications on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
taking our swimming cabin with you. We are now ready to depart for Hong Kong. In command of this aircraft is Captain Manuel and ably assisted by Captain Borca. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
当您的电子设备的电池过热时，请您立刻停止使用。这包括所有使用锂电池或充电器供电的电子设备。
At this time, make sure your window shades are up, tray tables are stowed, and your seatbelts are securely fastened.
Ganda, Ay, grabe ilaw. Ganda. Hello guys, welcome to Hong Kong. Wow. Hello. Guys, welcome to Hong Kong.
Hong Kong International Airport, and the local time now is at 33 minutes past the hour of 8 in the evening. There is no time difference between the Philippines and Hong Kong. Ground temperature is at 17 degrees Celsius. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 27 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Manuel and Captain Burka, together with your crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear seat pockets of any remaining litter. And please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins that will be provided near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. For guests with infants, the Meanwhile, your cabin crew will be standing up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated. And as a reminder to our guests who require special assistance, such as wheelchair, kindly deplane last using the forward door for proper ground endorsement.
Finally, tayo lang natin sila. Bawasan.
Tama po. Tama po.
Nasa bus kami. Lamig pala. Arrivals, welcome to Hong Kong. Welcome to Hong Kong. And we're here.
na lang natin yun sa
Bag. Hanapin na. Kunin lang namin yung aming bag. Nandito na kami sa Hong Kong. Welcome to Hong Kong, guys. We're here. Kuha tayo ng ating bag. We're here. Hanapin namin ang aming bag.
Nawawala na po
Dinrap
kami.
na kung saan.
Hindi namin makita yung baggage niya. Nambang naman niya.
Amoy yun ng ano.
Amoy yun.
Ako yun.
Oh? Talaga?
Ano, baggage inquiry. Oo. Tanong natin. Hi guys, finally. It's our first
Ang dali lang dito sa immigration. Picture lang.
picture. Parang hindi ka nag-picture. Nag-picture ba yun?
Oo.
Iniscan lang yung passport?
Iniscan na yung passport. Tapos picture lang. Tapos dyan sa akin, ang daming tanong. May papel lang. Ang daming papeles sa hawak.
等候行李嘅時間可能需要延長。
Kabagay, para siguradong hindi
需
mag-ano.
協助，請前往行李詢問處同航空公司職員聯絡。
Baka,
Saan na yung baggage na? Yung bag natin?
Please, due to the technical
Ayun na.
problems of the baggage
update. Hindi pa rin po namin nakikita yung counter ng baggage.
Ano ba yun? Nasa...
Hanggang hindi po kami, ito ang suot namin.
Ano ba yun? Nasaan na ba yun?
Sabi niya, side counter. Saan ang side counter? Ang daming counter dito. Aabot na tayong palabas.
Baka sa dulo. Ayan na yung aking bag. Welcome to Hong Kong, Mickey. Hey. Bigat pa lang yun.
Wow. Ano yan? 17 kilos.
Grabe bigat itong maleta na to.
Of course.
Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome to Hong Kong. Nakita na rin namin yung counter.
Let's go. Nakalabas na kami. Sit. Nag-CR pa. Train tickets. Welcome to Hong Kong. Hello, Hong Kong. It's 11 na ba? 10, 11 na. 10 something. 10, 16. May Christmas tree sila. Hanap na kami nung bus. terminal. Bus terminal. Bus station. Kasi hindi ko ma-register yung SIM card.
Ayun o. Bus.
Okay, to city.
Lumigo na.
Yan. Hintayin dito ng bus. Kasi anong oras na? Gabi na. Meron 45 minutes daw papunta doon sa Chimchatre. Oo. Doon kami. It's cold, grabe. Dito tayo sa bus. Hirap naman. Bus. Yan. Transportation information. Oh, ang ganda dito. Ayan yung bus.
Yes. Sabi mo kanina, liit ah. Gulat ka, no?
Bus terminus na pala yun. Ang lamig naman. 17 degrees. Ang lamig ah. So, papunta kaming Chimchatre. Dito kami sa 821 bus, yellow zone. Ayan yung mga bus. Oh. Dito tayo sa 821 pipila. Na bus, papunta kaming Chimchatre. Sa hotel. Oh. Ayan yung mga bus. We are here waiting sa bus. Hi, busy. Kapila kami sa 821. Papunta. Hilo ka dyan. Nakasakay na kami ng bus. Tingnan mo na lang dyan. Oo, para mamaya titingnan. Meron ba silang ay wala eh. Isa lang yung update. Nasa bus pa din kami. Nandito kami sa Chongshanwan. Ayan, taxi. Alright. Busy doon. May Starbucks, so yun talaga yung nakita ko. Starbucks, guys. Oh, may Miniso. Oh. Ang daming jewelry dito. Rolex, oh. Ha?
下一站雲明里，誠景國際福隆園賓館，另外下一站文明里長景國
Oh,
際維園
MRT.
賓
Ay,
館，
Jollibee
以內
dito.
百
Oh,
英
ito yung
酒
Jollibee,
店、
oh.
香港海景絲
Ito,
酒店、
Jollibee,
九
oh.
龍王子酒店、都南龍伊子酒店。
Ito naman, yung McDo kanina. Jollibee. Ano ba yan? Yung truck? Oh, ayan yung McDo. Oh, see. Magkakatabi lang pala eh. Oh, ito yung bag namin. Ang cute dito ng bus. Ah.
下一站航空中心航空酒店、龙马國際賓館、德城街、左敦站。
Siyempre, nasa bus pa din kami. Update. Time check is 11:41. 11:41. Temperature check. 14 degrees kanina pa dyan.
So, we're still here.
Tapos maagaw na naman bukas. Mga ilang ano pa, station ng stop. Diba? Ganyan. So, middle road tayo bababa is. Middle road na yun next. So, bababa na kami ng road. And, nakababa na kami ng pan. Chanel, Guyard, yung building na yan. Ito lang pala tayo malapit. Black Sea. Ganito pala dito. Ganito pala dito. Sa elevator na. And we are here sa elevator na masikip. Finally. Comfort Guest House E.
Hi for Comfort Guest House E.
Thank you. Dito to sa Chongqing Mansion. Ayun pala, iba-iba Comfort Guest House E. Diyan kami. So, dito kami. Flat C 5163. Welcome. This is our room.
Pasok.
Tsan, tsararan, tsaran. Eh, liit na shower. Ay, napagoan. Kasya ba tayo dito? Kasya ba tayo? So, this is the room. So cute lang.
Maliliit na lang talaga kasi yung ano.
Space lang tayo dito.